is Rayana. Today we will have lesson 7. The topic is past simple, some expressions and adverbs. Salom hammaga, mening ismim Rayana. Bugun biz 7-dars. Mavzularimiz esa o'tgan zamon, vaqt ifodalari hamda ravishlar. Write the past simple form. O'tgan zamon shakliga aylantirib yozing. Here you can check your answers. Match a question word in A with a line in B and an answer in C. A va B jadvaldagi so'zlardan savol tuzing hamda C jadvaldagi javoblarga birlashtiring. Practice the questions and answers with a partner. Do'stingiz bilan birgalikda savol hamda javoblarni mashq qiling. For example, where did you go? Qayerga borgan eding? To the shop. Shopga. When did you go? Qachon borgan eding? Yesterday. Kecha. Who do you go with? Kim bilan birgalikda borgan eding? A friend from work. Ishdagi do'stim bilan. How did you get there? U yerga qanday yetib olding? By bus. Avtobus orqali. Write the correct prepositions. To'g'ri predloglarni yozing. Biz in predlogini yillarga, fasllarga hamda oylarga nisbatan ishlatamiz. On predlogini kunlarga hamda sanalarga ishlatamiz. At predlogini esa aniq vaqt va soatga nisbatan ishlatamiz. Let's check your answers together. Keling javoblaringizni birgalikda tekshirib chiqamiz. At 11 o'clock. Soat 11da. At night. Kechki payt. In the evening. Kechki paytda. On Friday. Juma kuni. On Sunday morning. Yakshanba kuni ertalab. At the weekend. Hafta oxirida. In 2024. 2024-yilda. In July. Iyul oyida. On August 24th. Avgust oyining 24-kunida. In the summer. Yoz faslida. In the 20th century. 20-asrda. Work with a partner, ask and answer questions with when. Use the time expressions and or ago in your answer. Do'stingiz bilan birga mashq qiling. When qo'shimchasidan foydalanib, savol hamda javoblar bering. Javobingizda vaqt ifodalaridan foydalaning. For example, when did you go to bed last night? At about 10 o'clock. I was really tired. Adverbs. Ravishlar. An adverb is a part of speech that describes a verb. Ravish bu so'z turkumi bo'lib, fe'lni ifodalaydi. Adverbs provides additional information about how, when, where, why, or to what extent an action is performed or a quality exists. Ravish harakatni qanday, qachon, qayerda, nima sababdan, qay darajada bajarilganligini aniqlab beradi. Regular and irregular adverbs. To'g'ri hamda noto'g'ri ravishlar. Regular adverbs end in ly. To'g'ri ravishlar ly qo'shimchasi bilan tugaydi. Masalan, quickly, tez, slowly, sekin, carefully, e'tiborli, quietly, sekin, badly, yomon, easily, oson. There are some common irregular adverbs. Bular esa noto'g'ri ravishlar. Go well. Work hard. Drive fast. Get up early or late. Erta yoki kech uyg'onmoq. Tez haydamoq. Qattiq ishlamoq. Match the verbs with the adverbs. There is often more than one possible answer. Fe'llarni ravishlarga birlashtiring. Bu yerda birdan ko'p javoblar bo'lishi mumkin. For example, speak English well or fluently. Tell your partner about you or people you know using the verbs and adverbs. Do'stingizga o'zingiz haqingizda yoki tanigan odamingiz haqida fe'l hamda ravishlardan foydalanib gapirib bering. For example, my sister walks fast. Mening singlim tez yuradi. Bobur drives carefully. Bobur ehtiyotkorlik bilan haydaydi. Thank you for your attention. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat. See you next lessons. Keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha xayr.